In this video, we'll be talking about the listen block. The listen block is a block which is used to take some input from the user. If you notice, you won't be able to connect the catch block to the listen block. This is because the listen block is used to take some input from the user, and to get some input from the user, you first need to send something to the user. You may send a text or an image to the user, which may be a question or which may prompt the user to reply using text. So I'll add a text block and ask him hi, and ask the user, hi, how are you? Once the question is sent, I'll take the user's input, that is what the user says, and store it in a variable using this listen block. So the variable in which the user's reply will be stored in is this $last_user_input. So I'll change that and I'll use a variable named variable. After storing it, I'll run it. Once this is saved, an agent has been built. I'll test it on Facebook. As all of these blocks are in the start skill, I'll run the start skill by typing in /start. This question will be presented. I'll type in my answer, I'm good. And this response should be stored in a variable called variable. So to verify that, I'll go to settings. From here, go to users. I'll add a column. I'll add in variable to see the value which is stored in variable. And here, you should be able to see this value here, stored in a variable named variable.